Oh hey, so just thought I'd give everyone a very quick update as to what's been going on. So I've come back from Germany now, and I'm currently writing a wiki for the transmission controller I'm writing. I've still got firmware on here that I'm editing on this screen, and then on here I'm testing out my new configuration app I'm writing for my controller, so you can be able to change things and diagnose things on that. That is all currently happening on my test platform over there. You can see my TCM. But also, what I want to very quickly say, if I can zoom in, there we go, is that I've now got this very nice microscope here. So I can do soldering quite a lot nicer now, as you can see through there. Oh, kind of. There you go. You can see through there. So I can see through here and solder my TCM boards really well now. But for you guys watching, this has now got a capture card on it, my expensive microscope, which means that whilst I'm working on that, you guys can see through OBS on YouTube, the streaming / like soldering and putting together of the boards in much higher quality than before with my crappy little USB microscope. So I hope to do some more streaming soon where we can maybe all talk together and assemble some boards. So look out for that. I'll put an announcement up, and I might actually stream on Twitch as well. But anyway, just thought I'd keep everyone up to date with what's going on. And yeah, expect a few videos soon. I do need to start working on part 4 of the TCM series because there is so much to cover from all of the firmware code that I've been writing lately. And yeah, it can do a lot of stuff now.